What's up, y'all? Back for day 7. Got a special visitor today. She wants to say hi tonight. Oh, hi, Tina. It's Tina. Alright. Big baby girl. Alright. So, back with day 7. Tonight, I'm going to do Yellowbird habanero. And I got a California burrito to try it on. Cut it in half. Got this from a place down in Pueblo. I don't even know the name, but just go there every other weekend after we hit up the dispensary. And I got some good sized burritos. And I got the California, got the Yellowbird habanero. Sure, it's good. Be good. It says fruity and bright on the label there. Again, it's one of these dollar bottles from Walmart that Walmart had in a little bin. Ingredients: we got carrots, onions, habaneros, distilled vinegar, garlic, organic cane sugar, tangerine juice concentrate, salt, lime juice concentrate. Made in Texas. I don't ever look at this place we go. Been going there for years. Good burritos. They even have green chili. Unless their own. Make it every day. Make it fresh every day. Their stuff. Sometimes it's real spicy. And, you know, their own green sauce. I don't know if they make it, but it's good. Like jalapeno or poblano, maybe. Almost forgot. A little bit. Oh, it has such a good sauce. I love that. Probably finish this bottle off tonight with dinner. But no hiccups. 100% because I got food or what? It's just weird. Some stuff does, and last night I didn't do too much with the day. There it goes. I spoke too soon. But anyways, that's all I got for y'all for day 7, Yellowbird habanero. I'm getting finished eating dinner. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.